Alright, RandallMRueff here, Tuesday, June 19th, 2012 AD. So if there's anybody out there that has more money than they know what to do with, and they want to buy somebody a computer, my name is RandallMRueff. This is the iMac I want. I'm going to show you exactly what I want as of today. So I'm going to go to the Buy Now section. And hopefully the internet's working, and it appears to be. Alrighty. So I'm here. I'm going to select an iMac starting at $11.99, but it's going to be more than that because I'm going to want more than that. Okay, there it is. Alright, so we're going to the 27-inch 3.1. Select that. Of course, we want the 3.4 gigahertz quad core Intel i7, 16 gigs of RAM, 2 terabytes plus the 256 gigabyte solid state drive. The bottom one, because it's more faster, better. The Magic Mouse and the trackpad. This is important. The Apple keyboard with numeric keypad. Don't need that. Don't need that. Try to keep it under $4,000. Try to keep it under $35,000. But anyway, yes, yes. 34. So that's pretty good. Don't need a printer. All right, so let's go back to the top. See the pretty picture here. For $34.86, which is under $3,500, we get 3.4 gigahertz quad core Intel i7, 16 gigs of RAM, 2 gigabytes of hard drive plus a 256 solid state drive, AMD Radeon 6970, blah blah blah, with 2 gigs, Mighty Mouse or Magic Mouse and Magic Trackpad, keyboard with numeric keypad. Apple remote, and Thunderbolt cable. So, that's what I want. So if you help me out, I'd appreciate it. RandallMRueff, thanks for watching. Have a good day, and may God bless you. Bye.